How to delete YouTube history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete YouTube history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whether it is a search history or whether it is a watch history, you want to get rid of all of the histories on YouTube. It's very simple. Go and launch your YouTube application here, and then you want to make sure to tap the profile icon. Go to settings, then go to manage all history. After you go to manage all history option, you'll be able to see a list of all these options here. So let's wait, and here you can see delete. Tap on delete all time, and then here you'll be able to see a list of all the histories. Just tap on delete, and then your histories will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete your YouTube history. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.